Think your small living room is too tight for a makeover? Think again. You don't need to tear down walls or buy expensive furniture to breathe new life into your space. The secret? Just one thing: paint. When used right, color can open up your room, reflect more light, and totally transform the vibe without taking up a single inch of space. Today we're revealing 10 stunning paint colors that can completely reshape your small living room, each with its own unique mood and magic. Stick around to the end, you might just discover the perfect shade for your next refresh. Number 1. Energize with Poolside Blue by Benjamin Moore. This vibrant turquoise poolside blue is your shortcut to creating a space that feels energized, fresh, and endlessly inviting. Inspired by those perfect summer days lounging beside crystal-clear waters, this hue brings a sense of lightness and cheer that instantly uplifts. Visually, it opens up the room by making the walls feel like they're receding, giving the illusion of a larger space. The way light dances off this color makes any room feel brighter and airier. Number 2. Go Natural with Royal Orchid by Behr. Despite what the name suggests, Royal Orchid is not a floral pink or purple, but a deep, sumptuous green that feels rooted and calm. It instantly transforms a small living room into a sanctuary of lush, nature-inspired comfort. There's something about green that soothes the eyes and mind, especially when it's a tone as rich and velvety as this. Use it on all 4 walls for a cocoon-like atmosphere, or highlight one wall behind your sofa for an instant focal point. Number 3. Make a bold statement with Bravado Red by Sherwin-Williams. Red is a daring choice for any space, especially smaller ones, but Bravado Red makes a compelling case. With coral undertones that soften its intensity, this shade doesn't scream, it sings with warmth and drama. It's ideal for adding a focal point, infusing energy, and starting conversations. Bravado. Red brings both intimacy and flair to a room, proving that bold hues don't just belong in big spaces. They can transform smaller living rooms into style statements with character and charm. Number 4. Add Personality with Pink Ladies by Benjamin Moore. If your living room needs a shot of personality, Pink Ladies delivers with charm to spare. This isn't a dainty blush. It's a confident, expressive pink that radiates youthful energy and creativity. It's perfect for those who want their space to feel light-hearted and bold at the same time. This pink brings joy and confidence, especially in small spaces where color becomes a key storytelling element. Use it on an accent wall or go all in if you love color. It'll make your living room feel like a curated expression of your style. Number 5. Ground the Space with Aldabra by PPG. Aldabra may not be the most well-known shade, but it should be. This golden grage, an elegant mix of beige and gray with subtle almond undertones, offers a warm, grounded look that works beautifully in any setting. It's one of those rare colors that feels fresh in daylight and cozy at night, adapting to every lighting condition without losing its appeal. In small living rooms, Aldabra provides the perfect backdrop for layering textures and colors. It's quiet but never boring, an effortless base color that lets your furnishings and personality shine. Number 6. Bring Joy with Lemon Twist by Sherwin-Williams. Bright and unapologetically cheerful, Lemon Twist is a bold yellow that brings sunshine into even the gloomiest of rooms. This shade is all about energy. Think morning optimism, fresh starts, and bold confidence. In small spaces, it works wonders by catching and reflecting light, helping the room feel more expansive. It's perfect for feature walls, alcoves, or even ceilings, areas where a pop of yellow can lift the entire aesthetic. Number 7. Create a Soft Elegance with Patience by Behr. For a touch of soft sophistication, Patience is a gorgeous choice. A delicate blend of blush and lavender, it adds a gentle wash of color that's both calming and distinctive. It creates an atmosphere that's warm and welcoming without being too bold or too bland. Perfect for those who crave femininity without frills, Patience complements soft grays, ivory, and warm metallics like rose gold. In small living rooms, it adds visual interest while keeping the space feeling airy and uncluttered. Whether you're styling with modern or vintage decor, Patience brings a graceful polish that feels effortlessly chic. Number 7. Create a soft elegance with Patience by Bear. For a touch of soft sophistication, Patience is a gorgeous choice. A delicate blend of blush and lavender, it adds a gentle wash of color that's both calming and distinctive. It creates an atmosphere that's warm and welcoming without being too bold or too bland. Perfect for those who crave femininity without frills, Patience complements soft grays, ivory, and warm metallics like rose gold. In small living rooms, it adds visual interest while keeping the space feeling airy and uncluttered. Whether you're styling with modern or vintage decor, Patience brings a graceful polish that feels effortlessly chic. Number 9. Invite nature inside with Palm Frond by Dunn Edwards. Palm frond is a lush tropical green that evokes images of breezy palms and tranquil resorts. It's a versatile shade that connects your indoor living space with the calming essence of the outdoors. In smaller living rooms, it works wonders by drawing in warmth and life, especially when paired with wood tones, woven textures, or botanical art prints. Palm frond helps soften hard edges and adds an organic layer to your decor. Number 10. Timeless Richness with Hunter Green by Benjamin Moore. Hunter Green is a classic for a reason. Deep, rich, and undeniably elegant, it brings a sense of heritage and sophistication to any room. Perfect for those who love traditional interiors with a twist, Hunter Green works incredibly well with gold frames, antique woods, and leather textures. In small living rooms, it doesn't shrink the space, it enhances it, making it feel more curated and substantial. Hunter Green's ability to make any space feel elevated and balanced is unmatched. It's a shade that proves dark colors can be just as expansive and welcoming as light ones. Color isn't just decoration, it's transformation. With just a few brush strokes, you can turn a small, forgettable space into something bigger, bolder, and totally you. So tell us, which of these colors would you try in your living room? Drop your favorite in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found some inspiration today, give this video a like. It really helps us out. Remember, the right color doesn't take space. It creates it.